Hey everyone, want to create a professional website without writing a single line of code and for completely free? Whether you're a student or freelancer or just someone who wants a personal site, today I'm going to show you how to build a full website in under 5 minutes using Google Sites. Let's get right into it. Step number 1. First, go to sites.google.com. It's part of your Google account, so you don't need to sign up for anything new. Click on blank to start from scratch, or you can choose a template like a portfolio, team, or resume if you want something pre-built. I'll go with blank so you can see how easy this is from the ground up. Step 3. Customize your website. So this is your editor. You can change your title, drag and drop text, images, buttons, YouTube videos, Google Docs, basically anything. Want to add a contact button? Just click Insert button and link it to your email or contact page. Everything here is visual, no coding needed, and it auto-saves as you go. Step 4. Add pages. Click on the Pages tab on the top right to add multiple sections like About Me, Portfolio, or Contact. This helps you organize everything neatly, just like a real website. Step 5. Click Themes to make it look clean and modern. Pick the fonts, colors, and layouts. It's super beginner friendly and does not look basic. Before we get to Step 6, I'm going to go ahead and use all this knowledge to create a quick site. Alright, I am back. As you can see, I have a quick and easy simple site that took less than 5 minutes. You can see my name, I have a site about me, I even had an embedded link right here. You can click on it and you can launch to a different site. Now this is quick and easy. You can add more, you can customize it longer, and you would want to spend more time on this than just 5 minutes, but this is for the sake of this video. For step number 6, the fun part. You're going to want to click publish and pick a name for your site. So I'm going to choose How to JoJo, and then I can press publish. Your site is now visible to the world. If you want a custom domain like yourname.com, you can connect one too. Here are some bonus tips about Google Sites. You can use Google Sites to make portfolios, school projects, team websites, and even digital business cards. It's completely free and mobile responsive, meaning it works on phones and desktops. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've built your own website for free. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And let me know in the comments what kind of website you are building.